Hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here. Once again, we are doing a mail call that is extremely overdue. This is actually from Rick G. We're doing a trade, and I still, as of right now, haven't gotten his stuff back in the mail to him. Rick, I apologize for that, but as I keep saying in these videos, the hurrier I go, the behinder I get. And I mean, every time I get a project done, another one presents itself. So I do have several things going out in the lab that I have started. We will be getting to them shortly, but I actually have to take advantage of this time while I can, while my back's allowing me to get these repairs and things done on my house that have really been neglected over the past several years. I know I keep saying it over and over, but my back has not allowed me to do things for quite a while, and it is now allowing me to do some things, so I'm trying to get them done. So here's our card. We got some Rick G Profit Coin stickers again right there, which I have one up over there already, so I'll put those with my extra stickers. And it says COAs are being printed next week. I have one shipped ASAP. It says BYS, thank you for the trade. I wish the number 13 would have came out better, but as you said, it is my true number 13, Rick G, which is what I want, guys. I mean, you know, if we're looking for perfection, we're looking in the wrong place. I would much rather have, especially for my 13 collection, the real 13 than something that has been repoured or redone to make it look better. To me, I collect 13s because they're 13s. So they don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be whatever. They just have to be 13s. And that's what this is. And that's why I like this. And Rick, no matter what, and no matter what anybody thinks, I know it's beautiful. I know it's the real 13. And I am extremely pleased and honored to have it, to add to my 13 collection. It's got an RG up here. It says 2.49 ounces Troy. It is marked number 13, and it is also marked .999. Rick, I love it. I don't care what you think. If you think it came out icky or whatever, buddy, you did a fine job. That's a 13 right there. Just like that is a 13. It's beautiful. I love it. I apologize once again for the super late mail call on this. And I was trying to think of what to send you back, so I actually came up with a pretty good idea. I hope you like it. So you will see it when you get it. I'm going to try and get it out in the mail tomorrow. Once again, I really appreciate that. There's another beautiful 13 to add to my collection. Thanks so much, brother. I appreciate it. Guys, I still got a lot to do and a lot to catch up on. And we'll see you all in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.